Those are brand new blades there, and I just wanted to get the paint off the cutting edge. Honestly, it's probably a little sharp, so I'll go like this right here. And I'll dull it up just a little bit and make that edge last a little bit longer. Alright guys, evening time, got home from work. I never formally introduced myself, I guess. My name's Preston. Yeah, this is kind of the place. Garage's shop. This is Beef the Steer. He's very, very friendly. Behind him, we got Fullback. Just got her. Beef really likes pellets. Kind of started this place from scratch. That bulk bin I got full of corn with AccuRation in it. Got that bulk bin off of an auction. I think it's a 2-ton. Some of the tires I inherited off the place, making a bunch of scrap metal. Hay rake, blade, 3-point blade, post hole digger. Stock tank down there we did buy new. Creep feeder down here, got from a buddy's dad who wasn't using it anymore. Gave a little bit of money for that, but essentially just bootstrapping everything together here on this farm. This fence I did put in just cattle panel from Tractor Supply. Honestly, I was watching a lot of auctions and it was almost as cheap to buy new, so we got new. I got these gates in here. Those come off of an auction. Posts come off an auction. T-posts come off an auction. Now this is kind of a custom deal. This is a square bale feeder that I made from scratch. All these pipes was here when I bought the place. Only thing I bought on it was this treated plywood at the bottom, but I had built one of those IBC tote hay bale feeders, and to be honest with you, I just didn't really like it. They would grab the hay out of there and then just walk away. They'd spill a bunch. So I like them having their heads in there and not wasting a bunch of hay on the ground. Compost pile there, cow manure, garden stuff, and then we'll go around to the garden where we have sweet corn that's not really doing all that great, a bunch of tomatoes, watermelons, pumpkins, onions, kohlrabi, had a bunch of radishes earlier, and then this is the hay field right here. Alfalfa's doing pretty good this year. It's been pretty wet, so we're happy about that. And then I've baled it twice already. The second time I just wanted to do it because the alfalfa was blooming real bad. So it was time to get the alfalfa done, but it was not time for the grass yet. So once again, it looks like the alfalfa is beating the grass, so we'll have to see how third cutting goes. This is our chicken coop. We got 6 hens and a rooster, and this is the hen den. They are producing eggs. We got them as chicks. But I just wanted to give you a little walk around of the place and let you all see what the little acreage was like. Ugh.